Hello everyone, this is Harsimrat, first year software engineering student at Chitkara University, Institute of Engineering and Technology. And today I'll be showing you my code for Flappy Bird Game in C++ using splashkit and vector library. I have mainly divided this code into three files: flappy.h, flappy.cpp and custom.cpp. In flappy.h, I have declared all the functions, variables and classes and enums for the program. In flappy.cpp, I have defined all the functions. In the first one, we are loading the background image, bird image and game font, and setting variables like score, last size x passed, and bird velocity to 0, and bird's coordinates. And this function is to add new pipes. This function here is to draw background image and bird image and pipes. And it will also show scores at the top. This function is to control bird by pressing spacebar, and this function is to move birds. This function is to move pipe from right to left. This function will check if there is any collision or not. If yes, then the game will terminate. This function is to restart the game. We will call this function whenever we need to restart the game. This function will set the pipes in lower half and upper half of the screen. And check passed function will check if the bird has successfully passed the pipe or not. If yes, then it will increase the score by 1. Show main menu function will display the main menu screen, and handle main menu will control its input. If player presses N key, then the game will start. If E key, then it will terminate. Show game over screen is to display game over window. And if player presses L key, then it will show highest score. Handle game over input controls the input for game over screen. If player presses E key, then if player presses R key, then game will restart. If E key, then game will be terminated. If player presses at the home icon, then player will be redirected to the main menu screen. And if player presses L key, then it will display the scores of the player. In custom.cpp, we have called all these functions accordingly. At the top, we have first include the flappy.h header file. Then our program will start from int min function. First, we have open window. It will open a window named Flappy Bird. Then initially the state of the game will be main menu. If the state is not quit game, the game will keep running. Then if user requested quit, then state will be equal to quit game, and the game will terminate. If case is main menu, then menu will be displayed, and if player presses N, new game will start. If E, then game will be terminated. If state is game running, then the game will start. If case is game over screen will be displayed, and if player presses R, game will restart. E to exit and L to show scores. And in any other case, game will be terminated. Now let's try running this program.